वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आनी आयज हांव तुमकां पुत्तून झिरो ऑयल रेसिपी दाखयता. So today I'm going to show you all recipe of a Goan dish which is zero oil, that is Melgor. So these are 1 cup of black grams soaked overnight, and then I cooked this for 4 whistles. I added salt and for 1 cup you have to add around 3 cups of water. Measuring cups are available in Amazon, so you can take those measurements. You can buy. I'll show you one. So these are the measuring cups available on Amazon. So this is like 1 cup. It is mentioned over here, 1 cup, then half cup, 1/4 cup, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. Everything is there. You get a set, very cheap. So buy this, or supermarket also you can buy, or you can buy it on Amazon. So this is the measurement cup. I had taken 1 cup. Then these are around 4 onions, 2 green chilies, 3 Kashmiri chilies. So this is Goan sambar masala powder. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of this. This is around 4 tablespoons of coconut, fresh coconut. You can use designated coconut. Now this is like half coconut, half. Like when you get a coconut, so the 2 coconut shells are there. So from 1, that is half, titunle odde. So okay, so around 4 tablespoons of this. Then I'm going to do Melgor. Melgor is, in Konkani you say Melgor, and English it is mixed bhaji. So I'm going to add this raw papaya, which I have, green raw papaya, which I cooked. I removed the skin, and then I added salt, and I cooked this for around 10 minutes. Okay, and it is nicely cooked. So this was a quantity of 2 raw papayas, 2 green raw papayas. Let's start. So like this it is written over here. So this is 1 tablespoon. So I am taking out of this 2 to roast this. One and 2, and 2 I am keeping for garnishing, and we'll add our onion to this. Now anyone wants to add oil, you are free to add oil for this vegetable, but if you want without oil, zero oil, then this is the recipe. So till the rawness of the onion goes, we have to roast this. मागीर एक धाकटुसो बॉल आमसाणीचो हांवें भिजत दवरलेले. So you have to soak 1 small tamarind ball, and we need this to give a tanginess to our veg. There is zero oil, so I am only roasting this onion along with coconut, and this rawness has to go of the onion, that smell. medium flame. It's getting nicely roast. And now we will add our masala. So 2 tablespoons of this, okay. Goan sambar masala powder. Then we'll add our Kashmiri chili powder, spicy chili powder. That is half. This is 1 teaspoon. Half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. How to make this Goan sambar masala, I will show you. I will share the link actually in the description box. Now, we don't want this masala to be this way, so we will add this tamarind water. Okay. Salt to taste. And you mix this masala nicely. So we'll cover this and cook this. Let the onion, tamarind water, salt and other masalas get nicely cooked little. Then we'll add the other thing. So now we will add our chanas. तर आता मी इथून चणे घालूया. चणे ऑलरेडी शिजल्या पण मस्त तो मसालो घातला पण तिथून मस्त तो हे जाऊन दे. सॉल्ट मातशें चेक करात. आता आमचे पपाया घालूया. सो नाव वील एड आर cooked papaya. So this is raw, okay. And don't discard the water which you have cooked the papaya. Use it as a soup water. Add some vegetables and you can use this. So हे mix करून घेऊया आता. मिक्स करून घेऊया. Now we'll add our coconut. Keep little for garnishing. Then chilies. Five minutes Riya. We'll give a dum for this for 5 minutes and then our vegetable is ready. Our Goan Melgor is ready. And here is our Melgor ready to serve. It's yummy and delicious Melgor without oil. That is the important thing. We can relish our vegetables and food with zero oil, less masala. Hope you all will enjoy this. Thank you so much. Dev bare karo. Let's serve this. Try this recipe and do tell me how did you find cooking our Goan recipes with zero oil. No oil at all. I will tell you personally, it's very tasty and yummy and delicious. Enjoy this recipe. Garnishing this with little bit of kasuri, methi and coriander leaves. Little bit of coriander leaves. Enjoy. Thank you.